Hey everyone, welcome back to Shop Smart. We are so glad you're here with us today. Imagine a world where you never have to worry about vacuuming or mopping your floors again. A world where your home is always sparkling clean without you lifting a finger. Welcome to the world of robot vacuums. Robot vacuums are not just a technological marvel. They are your personal cleaning assistants designed to make your life easier and your home more hygienic. These smart devices are equipped with advanced sensors, powerful suction, and intelligent navigation systems that allow them to clean every nook and cranny of your home with precision and efficiency. So, if you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine and experience the future of home maintenance, stay tuned. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of robot vacuums to discover the best models, features, and tips for keeping your home spotless. Let's get started. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home cleaning with the eufy X10 Pro Omni robot vacuum and mop combo. This device promises a comprehensive cleaning solution with its powerful suction, advanced mopping features, and AI-driven navigation. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The design is sleek and compact, making it easy to fit into most home environments. The build quality feels solid, and the device looks premium. Here are some of the key features of the eufy X10 Pro Omni. 8,000 PA suction power, ideal for picking up dirt, dust, and pet hair. Dual mops with 12mm auto lift automatically lifts the mops when transitioning from hard floors to carpets. Carpet detection adjusts cleaning mode based on the surface type. AI obstacle avoidance uses advanced algorithms to navigate around furniture and other obstacles. Auto mop washing, the device can wash and clean the mopping pads automatically. Self-emptying and refilling, automatically empties the dustbin and refills the water tank. Now let's see how it performs in real-world tests. We'll be testing it on various. The suction power is impressive, especially on hardwood floors and carpets. The dual mops do an excellent job of cleaning hard floors, and the auto lift feature ensures that the mops are lifted when it detects carpet. The AI navigation system is quite advanced. It maps your home efficiently and avoids obstacles with ease. The device also adapts its cleaning path based on the terrain, ensuring thorough coverage. One of the standout features is the auto mop washing system. It not only cleans the mopping pads but also dries them to prevent bacterial growth. The self-emptying feature is also very convenient, saving you the hassle of regularly cleaning the dustbin. The battery life is quite satisfactory, lasting around 2 hours on a single charge. The charging dock is easy to set up, and the device automatically returns to it when the battery is low. The eufy Home app is intuitive and allows you to schedule cleanings, monitor the device's status, and even control it remotely. You can also integrate it with voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. In conclusion, the eufy X10 Pro Omni robot vacuum and mop combo is a top-notch cleaning solution for those looking for a comprehensive and automated cleaning experience. While it comes with a higher price tag, the advanced features and performance make it well worth the investment. If you have any questions or need more detailed information, please check the description box below for links and resources. Thanks for watching, Smart Shopper. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Remember, shop smart, not hard.